In today's video, I will show you how to make a calcium hydroxide using sodium hydroxide and calcium chloride. This is a double displacement reaction, so I am trying 90% reaction in my this channel is double displacement, three types of reactions: double displacement, single displacement, and temperature temporary experiment. Which time is when it create a product, but this few times after it product come back down to come to a reactants. So reactants make product make reactants. First, this is double displacement reaction. We have sodium hydroxide and calcium chloride. It is not labeled on, and few amount of water because this is running 50 ml of water, but my thing is 25 ml or somewhere of 40 ml because there's I made a low quantity. It is a 60 and 40 formula. Calcium chloride or 40% sodium hydroxide. First add 60%, which means any 60% bigger ratio. I think it is too much. And we take our sodium hydroxide, little bit, not too much, but I'm first dissolve this all calcium chloride first. Our calcium chloride is dissolved, so water is this white, and now add sodium hydroxide, a few little quantity, not too much, only for few little, 60 by 40, which means 60%. I mean 10 grams of calcium chloride, and now I add 3 grams of sodium hydroxide, roughly. Not I measure it, but roughly. Little bit. Let me take a little bit. So, I think it is enough, and it is roughly about 3 grams because I have it is a crystallized form. Each crystal is 1 gram. It might be check it is endothermic or not. Little bit endothermic, and you can see there is a clear white solution. Just that. I think now it's time to eat this solution in some time with water can dry out, and the remaining left junk we after bathe this bottle with plier and remove all these take a separate spatula to scrape out all this internal calcium hydroxide with form with after it's crystallized in bottle. So after you use this with these and copper sulfate and pause. Now you can see there are 18 now is solution 10. See you can see small come out, and all the solution is evaporated in bottle, and this takes a little bit time I think. So I am paused for approximately 1 hour, and other video made tomorrow because you can see in camera because there's night. So I'm trying video in tomorrow maybe, or seeing what happened in video and going afterwards and decide after make a video tomorrow or we made a video in today. Pause. But after done this project we show it and come back with 1 hour. And you can see after anything doing final result is this 87% yield calcium hydroxide CaOH finally ready.